Hello everyone, we are going to represent a project made by the first engineering students of AI and DS branch. So, the name of our project is COVID Management System using Python. Our team members are Aditya, Rasika, Amit, and Nandan. This project has been successfully completed under the guidance of Professor Amrita Patil. We have made this project named COVID Management System using Python language. The inspiration behind this project is the current circumstances of COVID 19. Our team members, with the help of this project, have tried to keep a basic record of the ongoing cases of COVID. And this is how our project looks like. And this is the source code for our project. This thing can help a specific organization to keep a quick check on the arising and the recovered cases. Now, let me also show you how the exact output will look like. So first, it will welcome to COVID management system. Then it will show you three choices like admin, patient, and exit. Then we just need to enter our choices followed by entering our password. Further, there's more lot to it. Once you're done entering your choices and password, you will see options like add participants, add staff, display patient password, display staff recovered, or you can even see change password and lot more. You just need to add a proper number of the staff and the patients recovered. With the help of this, you are also able to see the past records of the staff and also the past record of the patients. Once you are logged into it, it will ask you several questions like based on the symptoms you are facing. You just need to answer these questions in yes or no pattern in Y or N format. This questionnaire covers almost all the symptoms a COVID patient may have. You will also be asked for your name and age, so you need to kindly answer it properly. Next, based on the questions you have truly answered, it will display a result. The result will be displaying that whether you are a positive patient or not. The complete data entered by the user will be successfully saved. In this way, data of several patients who will be logging in into the system will be saved successfully. So this is how our team completed this project. Thanks for watching.